everybody, Mike here. I've been out in my garden for a couple hours today working on getting all the fallen leaves down, and they gave me a chance to get my WORX leaf mulcher out and process some leaves and get them mulched down to where I can put them on my garden beds. Now, I bought this a year ago, so this is the second season using this. It's kind of a neat thing, but it's also a really dusty and dirty thing. So here's a couple things you need to know about this mulcher before you get it. This is a 13 amp machine, but they say it's capable of doing up to 53 gallons a minute. I said it's pretty close to accurate, but actually probably just a hair under that's what I managed to get. What I did find with the trimmer line that came with it, it's a little thinner than I think it should be. I was able to fit a slightly thicker line in there, which has helped drastically in how long that line lasts in between change outs. So that's the first upgrade I would tell you to make if you get one of these. Now, they also say that you can get roughly 11 bags of leaves into one bag after you've mulched them. My opinion is that number's a little inflated. It's probably a hair less than that. If you're wanting to run your leaves through just one time and be done, I would say definitely not. Now, I run all my leaves through twice. Reason for that is I like the leaves to be a little bit more mulched up than they are when they come out the first time. That's primarily going to be kind of personal preference as to what you think. It takes me twice as long to do the leaves, but to me, I feel like it's worth it in the end. Now, you have the option of getting just the mulcher with the stand like you see here, or you can get this collapsible bag with it. They also have it where you can get extra trimmer line. So take a look at the options before you make your purchase. See which package is right for you. I opted with just the collapsible bin, and I'm going to use my own trimmer line on this from here on out. This thing's really nice because it collapses down in a real compact footprint. So when you get it all broke back down, it stores very easily in your garage or barn without taking up a lot of space. Occasionally the leaves, if you push them in too fast or if you get twigs in, they will tend to clog from time to time, but it's pretty easy to fix. You could take your rim off and kind of just swish your hand around in there, get everything back to good again. Put your lid back on and you're good to go. This lid will only go on one way. There's a white dot on it that you line up with the white dot on the rim of the base here, and that's where it'll set. Now, to give you an idea, here's some leaves that I just got done mulching up. These have been run through the mulcher twice now, and you can see how finely they get mulched after two processes. Otherwise, if you only run them through once, the pieces are probably 4 to 5 times larger. But just right here alone, this trash can is probably just over half full. I would say that's probably 4 to 5 bags worth of leaves in there. When it comes to changing the trimmer line, all you've got to do, it just feeds through the center hole here. So you feed your line in roughly to where it's sitting in the middle, then fold it over on itself, and then feed both lines through the hole on each side. And then if you get your line too long, there's a little cutter here that'll trim the line for you should you need it. So if you're looking for a good way to kind of get rid of your leaves in your lawn, but you don't want to see them go to waste, consider mulching them up. They're a great addition to a compost pile, or in my case, I add them to the garden in the raised beds and around the plants that are going to be dormant for the year. It's just a good way to put the organic matter that's falling off the trees back onto the soil so that the leaves don't go to waste. But if you're in the market for a leaf mulcher, check out this one made by WORX. I've been pretty happy with this the last 2 seasons.